Brushy, how far? What's the matter? Why the long look on your face?
Morning, Tish. What won't be the matter? Eh? Tell me. Oh, man. I'm tired. Really tired. My line of work frustrates me. Imagine, I have to brush some smelly teeth every day, dipping my entire head into some slimy cavity. And worst of all, with my brittle white hair.
I feel you die.
I'm on a crane to be brushed. Just take a look. See what they did to my brothers. Most with dreadlocks, all used up and dead. This is sad.
Someone needs to send out his CV for a new job. But wait, come to think of it, what you do is bread and butter compared to man, you know? Imagine, my soft white succulent body used to clean up all sorts. Catarrh, sweat, dirt, and you know what else? But you know what? I'm loving my job. It's why I was made. That's what makes me me, Mr. Tish, aka Tissue. So my friend, find your purpose and live it gladly. Brushy man.